The Dailypoint Overlays is a simple tool that allows you to add newsletter submission and cookies acceptance forms to the hotel's website. For demonstration purposes, in this tutorial we will show you how to create a submission overlay and later how to add it to the hotel's website using the Google Tag Manager. First, go to the tab Overlay and Tracking Code in the main menu and click on the plus button in the panel Overlays. Now type in the name of the new overlay and select the newsletter opt-in option as a type. Then select a template for the email that the user should receive and the web page where he should be forwarded to after submitting the form. Note that the email templates are taken either from the mailing work or the Dailypoint Content Hub, depending on what emailing system you are using. Next, select in what language this overlay will be displayed. If the hotel's website is multilingual, create an overlay in one language, then make a copy of it and change the language-related values. Lastly, type in for how many days the overlay-related cookies should be valid. Now go to the Template panel to configure the layout of the overlay. Add fields to the form by clicking on the elements in the list or by drag and drop. Make sure to add at least one Submit button. You can make the layout more compact by removing the labels and setting the placeholder values. Additionally, you can add custom CSS styles to each element. At this point, you can save the changes and go back to the overview page. Here, click on the HTML code button and copy the text from the pop-up window. Once integrated into a web page on the hotel's website, it will produce the following form. Once a guest submits the form, the subscription will be confirmed right away. However, if you wish the guest to approve the provided email address before confirming the subscription, you can activate the double opt-in option. In this case, a pre-approval email will be sent and the subscription will be approved only once the guest clicks on the confirmation link in it. With the Ease Overlay option, the form will be shown in a pop-up window. In order to add and manage overlays easier, it is recommended to use the Google Tag Manager that handles third-party scripts like Dailypoint Overlays, Google Analytics tracking tool, or any other integrated software. If you never worked with the Google Tag Manager, firstly go to the tagmanager.google.com and create a new account for your hotel's website. After that, go to the overview page of the account and click on the New Tag button. Name the tag, then in the section Tag Configuration, select Custom HTML. Paste here the code of the Dailypoint overlay. And then in the section Triggering, click on the plus button and select the Page View trigger. Lastly, save the changes. You will see your new tag in the Tags section. To test if all is working correctly, click on the Preview button. The Google Tag Manager will create a virtual environment for the web page in your browser, and you should see the overlay form once you open the web page that you indicated in the trigger of the tag. To make the tag visible for all website visitors, go back to the Tags tab, select the tag that you want to publish and click on the Submit button. For more information, we recommend you to check out the official documentation of the Google Tag Manager tool. For this video, that's it. For any additional information, please check our documentation and other videos.